Welcome back to another episode of Trading Levels with Alighten. Um, I'm going to be walking through a trade that happened on Friday, January 30th, 2026. The market was crazy on Fridays on gold. Each 1 minute bar was, 100 to 500 ticks, so it was kind of nuts. But just to remind folks, on the top left, I've got the 30-minute, 60-minute, 4-hour, and daily charts. Middle top 15-minute chart, top right 5-minute chart, bottom right I've got the 10-minute chart, and I've got a brand new 1-minute entry chart here. I've taken off the footprint, at least for now. It was a little bit challenging to identify the trap traders looking at the footprint, um, with all of the clutter that comes along with it. It's still super valuable, so I'm not sure if I'm going to permanently take it off. But what I've done is I've replaced it with a new indicator called AlightenOrderFlowTools, which has some built-in order flow signals. And you can see I've the most prominent one here is the trap traders, which is this little stop sign looking thing. Shout out to the design idea from TDU. Um, and then the star is exhaustion. I've also got absorption on here, but those are pretty rare. And then I have another signal called, what's it called? It's called initiative aggression, which happens every once in a while on really strong aggressive moves that meet a certain criteria. And I can walk through those in the setup and the different configuration for those in a different video. But for now, let's take a look at the order entry for this particular trade. This is Friday again, and this is around, like, let's see, we're at 950. Um, so I've already seen this trade, so this is cheating. But it's a really interesting one because it showcases something really important, which I always harp on, which is you have to find both a signal on the higher time frame chart, either the 30-minute or above, and a signal on the lower time frame charts, either the 5, 10, or 15. So let's play it out and see what happens. I'm gonna drop time down to 1 minute. So we're looking for a signal up here, and then we're going to look for a corresponding trapped traders or exhaustion on the 1 minute entry chart. All of these indicators are open source and available for free. So there's the signal on the 5-minute chart, which obviously I knew was coming, but it's green. So this I bring up a lot is we need to make sure we wait for this bar to either turn red or so that it's actually dropping away from the level, or we wait for the next bar. Oh, it's red right now. That's interesting. And there we've got our trap traders. Oh, but we're back green again. So I might wait for a second trap trader. Oh, if it stays green, I'm just going to wait. So what this could do is the bar could take the full 5 minutes, then ideally it would pull back to the level, and then it would start heading down with a trap trader signal. This is turning, bar is red. We got another trap traders.
Order filled.
enter short. That was a little slow on the entry. And I know what happens on this trade, so obviously I'm going to let it play out here. Where we would normally set these levels, so this was an important level, so I'd probably set one here at this right here. And then maybe I'd set a runner out further to another important level. Now it could be just the pivot low here, or it could be this level down here. There's a third trap trader.
Target filled.
And we have our first target, and we set to break even plus. This could come back and stop us out. Again, it was super volatile on Friday. We've got another level coming up here on the 10-minute. I'd probably put this up here. And we've got over 100 ticks. So in any normal day where I don't know what the trade actually does, I would take profits at 100 ticks for sure.
Target filled.
So that's how you do it. When the bar is green coming into the signal, you wait for the bar to close, and then you wait for the bar after the signal. But if the bar turns red and you've got your trap traders, then you're good to enter on a signal with a red bar. Trying to think if there's anything else I want to share in this video. I'll end it there, and I will try to post more example videos so you guys can see some more complicated or difficult trades. And I will see you guys in the next one.